Dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, I wonder if this love is everlasting. I promise not to treat you like your last one.
Hi babes, hi boo-boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's hair is from My First Wig. They sent me this lovely bob. The wig came with a wig cap and all these items as well. And this is their invisible lace front wig. It's a textured Yaki blunt cut bob. You don't have to glue this wig, but I did. The hairline was plucked beautifully. The texture of the hair is amazing for Yaki, and I think they're actually known for the best Yaki hair. And trust me, running my fingers through this hair, I know why. It makes sense. It makes sense if they're the best. It was really lovely hair. I was so excited to put it on and try it. I've already gone ahead to do my bald cap method, and I'm just gonna cut the lace at the back of the wig and try it on. When I first put it on, I was like, okay, I'm not sure how I'm gonna style this for it to look good with my big head, but the texture of the lace, oh my god, I didn't even talk about it. The texture of the lace and like how invisible and soft it was made me so excited. Not all the wigs come like this, so based off the texture, I just know it is good lace. So I'm gonna go in with my Eben tinted lace spray. I have recently started trying this wig spray this lace spray, and I kind of like it. Like, it actually works. It's actually good. I still go in with some foundation just to match my skin tone a little more, but it works for me. So I'm just hot combing the front of the wig so I can have it laid and I can see the hairline properly before I even go ahead to do anything else. The wig came with these elastic band. I don't know what they're called, but it was bugging me and it was just like pressing against my head, so I actually removed them. But they help you keep the wig on just in case you're not planning on gluing it. It's a good thing to keep it, but I was gonna glue the wig, so I didn't need it and I cut it out. Now I'm just marking where the glue is gonna be going. I'm just using this brown pencil to kind of line up my hairline so I know exactly where to put the glue. This process has been helping me not like put the glue all over my forehead. So if I'm making any sense, I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah. So I just marked it out and I'm just cleaning the makeup from that area, preparing it for the glue that I'm about to put there. And I'm going to be using my Ghost Bond Classic to glue my wig today. I only use this glue if I want the wig to last for more than 4 or 5 days, or actually can even go for a week sometimes, depending on how good I do it and if I don't sweat. So I just went in all around my hairline. I'm just going to be spreading it, making sure that it is all clear, and then I'm gonna go in again with a second layer and then blow dry it till it's clear before I put the wig on. Okay, now that the glue has been dried clear, not dried, it's not completely dried, it's sticky, I'm just putting the wig on. I'm dragging the lace on top of it and just pressing it with my hand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band as well. I am in love with the texture of this hair. This hair just made me so happy. Everything was so easy, from the lace to like combing the hair and styling the hair. It was flawless. I'm very, very happy. My first wig. I love the wig. And thank you for sending it to me. Just look at the lace. It looks so good. It's giving scalp right now. Maybe maybe it's only giving scalp before I cut it. Let's cut it and have a look at it. But I'm in love with this lace. It's just beautiful. So I went ahead with my tiny scissors to cut the lace off. It's gonna be looking crazy in the beginning because there's still gonna be extra lace in the front, but we're gonna fix that very soon with more glue and like really lay it as much as we can. But yeah, okay, like I said, we're gonna be fixing that, and I'm going in with more Ghost Bond glue and to the front and on the side as well, just to, you know, lay everything down. After it has dried clear, I'm just going in with the back of my comb to just press the lace on the glue, like press it really hard and make sure that it is secured. I'm gonna go in with my Eben hair spray, my Eben glue spray. I don't know what it is, but it's Eben, okay, the black one. I'm just going ahead. I sprayed it on the comb at first and then put it where I needed it, but then with the ear part I just sprayed it on there and just glued it again. So I did that all around my hairline, just trying to secure it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put an elastic band on it again, just one more time. That is basically it. I just did a little bit of baby hair. It's not even technically baby hair. I just kind of brushed the hair in front a little bit just to give the illusion of a baby hair, but not doing as much like I typically do. And that was about it. I just styled it more, combed it a little bit, and I love this hair. This hair was really nice, not even gonna lie. It came out really good, and I wore it for a while before even taking it off. I think I wore it for like a good 5-6 days, and I wore it again. I washed it and wore it again, and it still looked really nice. So yes, definitely 10 out of 10 for this wig. I'm gonna be leaving all the details about it in the description, a link to the website as well, and a discount code for you guys to use when you're purchasing hair from My First Wig. Thank you for sending me this hair again. Just look at it. It turned out so good. I love the hairline. Everything was just given for me. Ooh, texture. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys on another tutorial. Love you.